All right, so in this step, we are going to add our domain. So whatever domain you have, wherever you bought it from, I do want you to keep this in mind that with ESA, you can host all your websites for free within the account. So you don't have to get hosting from, from what is it, GoDaddy or Bluehost, and there's a monthly charge for, hosting. So with ESA, you get hosting, but buying domains is not available at the moment with ESA. It will be in the future, but not currently. So wherever you bought your domain from, you will need to log in there, and we're going to just add a code to it. If you have any questions, of course, just reach out, and we'll be happy to help you. But this is how you do it. I have all my domains transferred to Google Domains because it's the easiest thing to do. They're all at one place. And then since I don't need hosting because all of my domains are already hosted here for free. So I am going to take. I'm going to do stop duct taping. So I'm going to go into this domain. I'm going to go to DNS settings, and every domain buying account has that. Okay. So for example, I wanted to add stopducttaping.com. So what I will do is I will click on add new domain, and I will add my domain here. Now, if you don't have a sub account, which means like this will be like course.stopducttaping, or maybe training.stopducttaping. If it's not like that, then you need to point the A record to this. So we're just going to do that. This is A, right? And this is in red, which is right here. And I'm going to go here, and I'm going to type is A, and then do this. This is it. And watch. This is saved, and it says custom records are saved, right? Now I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to hit add, and it will be pointed to it. So now, okay, I do want to mention, if this was a subdomain in front of it, like email, like reply, like blog dot, whatever, then you would add a CNAME record. But since it's a direct straight domain that I'm adding, then it'll be A record. Okay, so A and then this. So let me just do this. Yeah, domain stop duct taping added successfully. Now, don't do this at the moment because this is gonna tell ESA when somebody types in your domain, where do you want it to go? So if you don't have that set up yet, because we have to tell it to start here, right? So if you don't have that set up here, just hit cancel. But I just wanted you to see this. Like, you can add as many domains as you want. You can host as many domains as you want. And for bloggers and web developers and all that, you can do that for your clients as well and charge them a fee. For example, you can manage all the websites for your clients. Maybe you have 10 clients and they all collectively have like 60 websites. So you can manage all of them here. You can build websites here, you can manage websites here, and you can charge them a monthly recurring fee because you're maintaining them for support and maintenance. And that's it. This is how you run like a web development business from within ESA as well. We're going to have a separate video on that, but I just wanted to show you this. So this is how you add a domain. So go ahead, add whatever domain you have. If you don't have one, buy one, cheapest, whatever you want to buy. Just buy it, but don't do anything. Just come and add it here. And if you run into issues, of course, ask questions. Thanks.